Okay, we got our head all done here. We've given it a sanding down, which we're going to do more of. So you can see we got the cheeks all rounded out. We got the eye holes are cut in where we need them, into the back of the head. So what we want to do is we want to put our neck piece on, and we have 3 blocks here that we're going to use, and these are going to go in here. So we want to glue these together and let them set, and then we can get it put inside. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
I was going to ask where it came from. I thought you guys might know it. I know. Also coming up, the usual suspects, naked burglars. Really good story about the Wienermobile, which I saw in person just the other day. Oh, that's always fun, isn't it? Tell me everything.
For the followers and stuff, I really appreciate you following my work here.
Road labeled 86th Street. Let me ask you something. If the Wienermobile cut you off in traffic,
If you're new, go back to some of my earlier videos, and it shows you how to start from scratch and cut everything out.
that's right. No matter what. Understood? Yes. The Wienermobile can go in and out of funeral processions. The Wienermobile has the right of way over an ambulance. Yes, of course. All right.
I think it should be a pop-up hot dog stand. Every time you see it, you get a hot dog.
I have a new want. I want the Wienermobile in my funeral procession. Well, I think that may be doable.
Yeah.
What if the guy cuts you off, and then you get out of your car and you're angry, you're furious, and then he brings out, like, it looks like a T-shirt guy. And you're going, what's this? You're still angry at me.
No, I'm mad, yeah.
Then he shoots a hot dog.
Yeah.
You catch it. And then he goes, you know what, buddy? Take it. And he shoots another hot dog for your buddy Willie G right now. Then we have ballpark hot dogs in the car, Chip.
Have we given a Nobel Prize to the inventor of the
Hot dog?
hot dog shooter?
Oh. You know what? I can't attest to it. I've not eaten a hot dog out of a hot dog gun, so I don't know what
So you want to make sure you get it centered where you want it
consistency here.
before you tighten it all down.
What do you mean?
The journey of the hot dog from the gun
Oh, trust me, I get
through
it
the
right
air.
when I see it in the...
You catch it. It's already tasting better than any other hot dog you've ever
You
had.
know what? You're right. That's another question. No one had a hot dog gun. They had a T-shirt gun, and some genius said,
Yeah.
let's put a hot dog in it.
Where's the Nobel?
You had a potato gun, didn't you, at one point?
I did. You did. I shot the potato gun into Lake Mead after a particularly expensive...
So we're going to set this, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we can come back and sand it down and get it to where it's going to fit inside the neck. Thanks for watching.